Guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. And I got a shop card in the mail from Battlehorn Hobbies here with some kind words on the back, and I sent him one of mine. And if anybody else like one of my shop cards, I have a variety of different ones, and I just do a random assortment, and I will send you whatever comes off the top of the pot. But otherwise than that, my address is in there, and it's no longer the P.O. box. But I believe I got to figure out how to change it. But email me and I'll give you the right address. But anyways, let me show you what I recently finished and what I've been working on lately, guys. So this is the kit I recently just finished. I got a little burnt out doing all the cars. So I started this one with my brother like last week sometime. And I've been working on it for a while. Along with a couple other little ones. I mean, like 72 scale cars. So let me just show you what I got. All right, we got a beautiful F9 F2 Panther right here, and we got another Panther right here, Licorice. This is my little buddy my four-legged Panther. So, yep, that's Licorice. All right. So, like I was saying, this is the made by Minicraft Haskewaden kit, 72 scale. I think I got this one at a model auction a while back ago, about a year ago or so. And I'm looking for two more of it so I can do the other two variants of it. But I really like the blue on here, so I was going to go with the navy stuff, but I already had the mounts for the bombs. So I went ahead and did the Marines version to honor the Marines. I know this video might be a little late for the Memorial Day, but I support my troops and my buddies that are still serving when I was in at Fort Leonard Wood. So this is a very cool kit, and I think you guys should give it a try. Here's the underneath of it, landing gear, stars and stripes there, and there's the bombs. And I want to show you what else I've been working on, guys. This is what I have currently. It just came out of the paint department. Not quite finished up with the paint job because I still have to touch it up and stuff like that. And maybe put a little, I don't know, whatever I do with planes. But this is a Aero MB 200. I know Max at Max's Models would probably get a kick out of looking at this one. This one has a cool tunnel, since I don't have the roof on it yet, on the fuselage. But you can actually, if you look straight down this, you can actually see right down through there that goes, let me swing it around here, that actually goes right up to the front. So if I put my camera right here, you can actually see right through to the front or to the back. And these pockets right here, these are where the engines are going to be, which I still have to paint. And I have some other parts that I painted on it. I have these various parts, some more landing gear and some other stuff right here to paint. And I got the dashboard right there. That's what this piece right here is, with the pedals. We got the armor stuff on it right here, ready for it. I just got to put that on there. What else we got ready for this? Like I was saying, I did not put the roof on it yet. So here is the roof. I'm thinking that's going to probably need one more coat of the green I used on there. And here's the front roof that kind of looks like a hood. This has a very unique design, guys. And we got the engine covers right here. I just got to do one more coat of green on those. And this this plane, if you use to build this and don't put the fenders on it, you could actually use them for fender skirts around a car. Because these things are pretty cool. I mean, those look like very cool custom parts if you have a 132 scale car. They probably fit right on if you did some kind of like 50s car. Those would be like cool fender skirts. Just a side note, guys, but those are the landing gear surroundings right there. And that's the landing gear I still have to paint. And I want to show you how detailed this engine is for this plane. Here's the engine right here. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that right there. But that's a 3-piece engine. Then the propeller goes on there. And what else is in my stuff I've been working on lately? I started this. This is a block MB 152. I started. I have this is actually molded in brown, but I have the cockpit in there, the seat. Basically, that's all the cockpit is for this kit. And I got the sides. They are getting ready to be done in primer. And then I'm going to hand assemble this with the glass in it. And then brush paint, or attempt to brush paint the, what do you call it? Camouflage on there. These are all, this is a French plane right here. And this is also a French plane. And if I can finish these, if I finish these up, let's see, how do I do this? Move that up. So if I finish this one up and that, I might tackle the Block 210, which is also another French plane. So that might be on my list next to do. And so I know this video is a little bit long for you guys, but thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. All right, bye.